Hi everyone, it's Miss Lemongelli. Today we are going to practice counting and then counting our touch points to add numbers together. We always start by saying our learning goal first. Repeat after me. I can count touch points to solve addition problems. Great, let's get started. Let's warm up our brains by counting some pictures. When you count, remember to touch each object and say a number. How many dogs? Touch each dog and count to tell how many. Pause the video to count. When you have your answer, push play to compare your answer with mine. There are 4 dogs. Let's count together. Touch each dog while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dogs. How many fish? Touch each fish and count to tell how many. Pause the video to count. When you have your answer, push play to compare your answer with mine. There are 5 fish. Touch each fish while we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish. How many smiley faces? Touch each smiley face to count how many. Push pause to count. When you have your answer, push play to check your answer with mine. There are 2 smiley faces. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2. There are 2 smiley faces. When we count our touch points, we do it just like we counted our objects. We touch each point and say a number. Here is the number 1. The number 1 has 1 touch point. Watch me. 1. Do it with me. 1. Do it on your own. Touch the touch point and say the number. Very good. Here is the number 2. The number 2 has 2 touch points to represent 2. Watch me. 1, 2. Do it with me. 1, 2. Touch each point and count on your own. Go ahead. Very good. Here is the number 3. The number 3 has 3 touch points to represent 3. Watch me. 1, 2, 3. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now touch each touch point and count 3 on your own. Go ahead. Very good. Here is the number 4. The number 4 has 4 touch points to represent 4. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now do it on your own. Go ahead. Good job. The last number we're going to do is the number 5. The number 5 has 5 touch points to represent 5. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it on your own. Go ahead. Very good. Now, when we add two numbers, we touch the points of both numbers and count. Watch me. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Watch me do another. For 3 plus 2, I'm going to count the touch points for 3 and the touch points for 2 together. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try 2 more together. So the first one we're going to do is 4 plus 2. Remember, we touch all of the touch points when we count for both numbers. Ready? Let's do 4 plus 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You push pause and touch the touch points on your own. Go ahead, push pause and touch the touch points. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's try one more. This time we will do 1 plus 3. We will touch the touch points for 1 and the touch points for 3 to get our answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you do it. Push pause and touch the touch points for 1 and 3. Go ahead. Push pause and touch the touch points. Did you get 4? 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good work. Here are 3 problems to try on your own. You may want to pause the video now and get a piece of paper and a pencil to write these problems down. If not, that's okay. You can touch the touch points on the screen and say the answers out loud. Touch each touch point to solve. Push pause so that you can work on these problems. When you have an answer for all 3 problems, push play to check your answers with mine. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 1 plus 5 equals 6. Great job today. Remember, you can go back and watch this video at any time. You can also go back and replay any parts of the video that you want to practice again. Please reach out to me if you need any help with the material that you saw in the video today. Bye!